If you're looking for a durable underseat storage solution for your 2015 and newer SuperCab or SuperCrew F150, then you'll definitely want to check out the DU-HA option shown here in black. Now the DU-HA will help keep miscellaneous items from rolling around the back seat or floor of your rig, and will even include some foam line dividers which can be used to help you store some long rifles or shotguns in your truck, making this the perfect choice for the hunters or gun enthusiasts out there. Price point for the made in the USA box is going to be hovering just south of 200 bones, and the install will involve using some self-tapping metal screws into the seatbelt brackets underneath that back seat. So let's call it a relatively easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the old difficulty meter, and we will have a step-by-step install showing you how to do that later in the video. So DU-HA specializes in many different storage solutions for many different types of trucks out there, all of which are made in the USA and backed by the company's lifetime warranty. Now the underseat storage box that we have here is a very versatile piece, at least in my opinion, that will certainly help keep your cab a little bit more organized, and as we stated earlier, can be used as a legal gun case in most states, with the ability to hold up to 3 rifles or shotguns without optics, or 1 long rifle or shotgun with a scope. Now to make that all possible, DU-HA will include these removable foam line dividers that will hold your guns in place, or simply act as a divider to keep your stuff a little bit more organized. Now the entire box itself is made from a heavy-duty polyethylene, weighs in around 10 pounds, and is most importantly basically very inconspicuous and out of the way once those back seats are folded down over top of this thing. The DU-HA is compatible with all trim level trucks, including the Raptor, and can be also used with or without that factory equipped subwoofer. Again, we are showing you the DU-HA option here in black, but the company also offers this thing in a tan, a gray, or even mocha brown, which will allow you to match just about any interior out there. Again, guys, in my opinion, a really great and convenient product that will help OCD truck owners like myself help keep your cab a little bit more organized for south of 200 bucks. But let's get into the install, and to give you a slightly better idea of what's involved with this rather simple job, here is a brief little walkthrough.
First thing we want to do is fold our rear seat up. We already have this side folded up for you. Simply pull the latch, push your seat up, and next, provided with the underseat storage tank, is a self-tapping screw. We need to run this self-tapping screw in the top hole of this seat bracket on this one and that one down there. What that's going to do is create threads, so we can use the provided knob to hold our storage box in place. So we can go ahead and we're going to run this self-tapper in to create threads. Just want to make sure this is going to work. And we have threads. Now we're going to do the same thing for the bracket closest to the driver's side. And then after that we can install our storage bin. Now we can do the same thing for this hole right here. And now we're ready to install the storage bin. All right, I'm just gonna slide this guy in place and line the slotted holes up in here with the threaded holes that we just made. I had already had these previously installed, but it comes with 2 dividers that slide right in place, and it can also hold a long rifle or a BB gun. And last but not least, we can fold our seats back down. That's going to wrap up our install. Be sure to check out more at AmericanTrucks.com.